Picture this, a barndominium that wraps around a private courtyard, with a dramatic sloping roofline that floods your home with natural light while cutting your energy bills by 30%. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In 2026, the U-Shape Single Slope Barndominium is quietly revolutionizing how people build custom homes, and I'm about to show you why this design is blowing past traditional barndominiums in both function and style. Stay with me because at the 8-minute mark, I'm revealing the hidden cost advantage that most builders won't tell you about. Before we dive in, if you're serious about building a barndominium this year, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I drop detailed, research-backed content on alternative housing every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. What is a U-shape single slope barndominium? All right, let's break down what we're actually talking about here. A U-shape barndominium is exactly what it sounds like. Instead of building a basic rectangle, you're creating 3 connected wings that form a U layout. This creates a central courtyard space that becomes the heart of your property. Now, combine that with a single slope roof, also called a shed or skillion roof, and you've got something special. The single slope roof is a continuous plane that angles from one side of the structure to the other. On a U-shaped design, this typically means each wing has its own sloped roof, all angling toward the center courtyard or flowing in a coordinated direction. This isn't just about aesthetics. This design choice fundamentally changes how your home performs. Here's what makes this combination work so well in 2026. The U-shape creates distinct zones for different functions. You might have living spaces in one wing, bedrooms in another, and workshop or garage space in the third. The courtyard becomes your private outdoor retreat, sheltered from wind and prying eyes. Meanwhile, the single slope roof on each wing allows for dramatic ceiling heights, massive windows on the tall end, and incredible natural light penetration. Why the U-shape layout is genius. Let's talk about why the U-shaped floor plan is getting so much attention right now. The biggest advantage is privacy and separation. In a traditional rectangular barndominium, everything flows together. That's great for open concept living, but it also means noise from the workshop travels to the bedrooms, and guests walk right past your private spaces. With a U-shaped layout, you create natural buffers. Put your master suite in one wing, and it feels like a private retreat. Guest bedrooms go in the opposite wing, giving visitors their own space. The third wing becomes your workshop, home office, or garage. Each zone has its own identity, but they're all connected by the central courtyard. The courtyard itself is a game changer. This becomes your outdoor living room, completely protected from wind. You can design it with a pool, outdoor kitchen, fire pit, garden space, or just a massive patio for entertaining. Because it's enclosed on 3 sides, you get privacy without building tall fences. Your neighbors can't see in, and you're not exposed to road noise or passersby. For families, this layout solves real problems. Kids can play in the courtyard while you're cooking in the kitchen, and you can see them through the windows. Pets have a secure outdoor space. During parties, guests naturally flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. The U-shape creates what architects call an indoor-outdoor connection, and it's incredibly valuable in modern living. Another major benefit is future flexibility. Need to add a home office? Convert part of one wing. Want to age in place? Put the master suite on the ground floor of one wing, and you never need stairs. Planning for multi-generational living? One wing becomes a complete in-law suite with its own entrance off the courtyard. The U-shape gives you options that a simple rectangle just can't match. The single slope roof advantage. Now let's talk about why the single slope roof is the perfect match for this design. First, construction cost. A single slope roof is one of the most affordable roof styles you can build. There's no complex framing, no valleys or hips to engineer, and installation is fast. For each wing of your U-shape, you're building a simple, sloped plane. This translates to lower labor costs and faster build times. In 2026, single slope roofs typically add only 5 to 15% to your shell cost compared to a flat roof, while gable or hip roofs can add 20 to 40%. When you're building 3 wings, those savings compound quickly. Second, the aesthetic is modern and clean. Single slope roofs give your barndominium a contemporary look that stands out from traditional barn designs. Combined with the U-shaped layout, you create architectural interest and visual drama. The varying roof lines add dimension, and the structure looks intentional and designed, not just like a simple barn conversion. Third, natural light. This is huge. With a single slope roof, one side of each wing is significantly taller than the other. This allows you to install massive windows or even entire walls of glass on the tall side. Imagine floor-to-ceiling windows in your living room, flooding the space with sunlight. Or picture clear-story windows running the length of your master bedroom wing, bringing in light without sacrificing privacy. Natural light isn't just nice to have. Studies show that homes with abundant natural light see reduced energy costs, improved mood and productivity, and higher resale values. The single-slope design maximizes this benefit in ways that traditional roofs simply cannot. Fourth, drainage and snow management. The slope naturally channels water and snow off the roof quickly and efficiently. In areas with heavy snowfall, this prevents dangerous buildup. The pitch, typically 4 to 12 or steeper, means snow slides off before it becomes a structural concern. Rain drains efficiently to gutters, reducing the risk of leaks and extending roof life. Fifth, energy efficiency. Here's where it gets interesting. A single slope roof creates the opportunity for a vaulted ceiling on the tall side. This vaulted space, when properly insulated with spray foam, becomes a thermal buffer zone. Hot air rises and gets trapped in the vaulted area instead of pressing down on your living space. In summer, this keeps your home cooler. In winter, proper ceiling fans can redistribute that warm air. Many builders in 2026 are adding solar panels to the high side of single slope roofs. The angle and southern exposure, in many cases, creates ideal conditions for solar collection. You can offset 50 to 80% of your energy costs with a properly sized solar array on a single slope roof. Real cost breakdown for 2026. Let's get into the numbers because that's what really matters. I'm going to walk you through a realistic budget for a U-shaped single slope barndominium based on 2026 pricing. We'll use a 3,600 square foot example. That's 1,200 square feet per wing, which gives you substantial space for living areas, bedrooms, and workshop or garage. Here's how the costs break down. Shell costs for the 3 wings total approximately $95,000 to $145,000. This includes the metal building kit packages for all 3 structures, end walls with windows and overhead doors, and basic framing. The single slope roof design actually saves you money here compared to more complex roof styles. You're looking at roughly $26 to $40 per square foot for the shell. Foundation costs run $21,600 to $50,400. You need a concrete slab for each wing, and the courtyard area may also need pavement or decorative concrete. That's $6 to $14 per square foot depending on thickness, reinforcement, and finish. Assembly and construction labor, if you're hiring contractors, adds $36,000 to $54,000. Single slope roofs are faster to build, which keeps labor costs down. You're looking at $10 to $15 per square foot for professional assembly. Interior finishing is where costs vary dramatically. For 3,600 square feet of living and functional space, you're looking at $144,000 to $540,000, depending on finish level. Budget finishes run $40 to $75 per square foot. Mid-range finishes cost $75 to $150 per square foot. High-end luxury finishes can hit $150 to $250 per square foot or more. Let's say you go mid-range at $110 per square foot for the living areas, which is 2,400 square feet, and budget finish at $50 per square foot for the workshop wing, which is 1,200 square feet. That gives you $264,000 plus $60,000 equals $324,000 for interior finishing. Additional costs include permits and engineering at $3,000 to $8,000, well and septic at $10,000 to $27,000 depending on your location, driveway and site work at $8,000 to $20,000, and landscaping the courtyard at $10,000 to $30,000. Total project cost for this 3,600 square foot U-Shape Single Slope Barndominium runs approximately $317,600 to $874,400. A realistic mid-range build lands around $500,000 to $600,000, or roughly $140 to $165 per square foot all in. Compare that to a traditional home of the same size, which runs $200 to $350 per square foot, and you're saving 35 to 50%. Even compared to a standard rectangular barndominium, the U-shape with single slope roof saves you 10 to 20% on construction costs while giving you significantly more functional outdoor space and architectural interest. Design considerations you need to know. Before you fall in love with this design, there are some critical factors to consider. First, lot size and orientation. A U-shaped barndominium needs more land than a simple rectangle. You need adequate depth for the courtyard to feel spacious, not cramped. Plan on at least 80 feet of depth for the U, and 100 to 120 feet is better. Your lot should also allow the courtyard to face the right direction for sun exposure and privacy. Second, zoning and setbacks. Some rural areas have setback requirements that make U-shapes challenging. You need to ensure each wing meets minimum distances from property lines. Work with your local building department early in the planning process. Third, the connector spaces between wings need careful design. These are typically covered walkways or enclosed hallways that link the wings. If not done right, they can feel like awkward transitions. Work with a designer who understands flow and proportion. Fourth, HVAC and utilities. Running plumbing, electrical, and HVAC to 3 separate wings costs more than a single structure. Plan for multiple HVAC zones and budget accordingly. The good news is that each wing can have its own climate control, which is actually a benefit for efficiency. Fifth, single slope roofs need proper gutter systems. Because all the water drains to one side, your gutters on that side need to be sized appropriately. In heavy rain areas, plan for 6-inch gutters and adequate downspouts. This isn't a deal breaker, just something to engineer correctly from the start. The courtyard, your private paradise. Let's talk about what you can actually do with that courtyard space, because this is where the U-shaped design really shines. The average courtyard in a U-shaped barndominium ranges from 800 to 1,500 square feet, depending on how deep you make the wings. This space is fully yours. You could install a pool and make it a resort-style retreat. Add an outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven, grill, and dining area for entertaining. Create a garden with raised beds for vegetables and herbs, visible from your kitchen windows. Build a fire pit lounge area with built-in seating for cool evenings. Set up a covered patio with ceiling fans and outdoor living furniture. Install a hot tub or spa area for relaxation. Because the courtyard is enclosed on 3 sides, you get natural wind protection. This makes it usable more days of the year than an exposed patio. You also get privacy without tall fences, which maintains the open feel while keeping your space secluded. Many owners are installing large sliding glass doors or folding glass walls on the sides facing the courtyard. This creates a seamless indoor-outdoor transition. Your living room essentially extends into the courtyard and vice versa. This blurred line between inside and outside is one of the most sought-after features in modern home design. Comparing to other barndominium layouts. How does the U-shape single slope compare to other popular barndominium designs? Let's run through the alternatives. A standard rectangular barndominium costs less to build, typically 10 to 15% cheaper than a U-shape. It's simpler, faster, and requires less land. But you lose the courtyard, the wing separation, and the architectural interest. For pure cost efficiency, a rectangle wins. For lifestyle and functionality, the U-shape is superior. An L-shaped barndominium is a middle ground. You get 2 wings and a partially enclosed outdoor space. This costs about 5 to 10% less than a U-shape and needs less land. The trade-off is less privacy in your outdoor area since it's only enclosed on 2 sides. If you're on a tighter budget or smaller lot, An L shape might be the better choice. An H shape or compound style barndominium creates multiple courtyards and maximum separation. This is the luxury option, often used for estates or multi-generational properties. Costs run 20 to 40% higher than a U-shape, and you need substantial acreage. If budget and land aren't constraints, an H-shape offers even more flexibility. For most people building in 2026, the U-Shape Single Slope represents the sweet spot between cost, functionality, and design impact.
Real-world examples and success stories.
Let me share a couple of real projects that show how this design works in practice. A family in Texas built a 4,200 square foot U-Shape Single Slope Barndominium on 5 acres. One wing houses the master suite and home office. The second wing contains 3 kids' bedrooms and a game room. The third wing is a 1,200 square foot workshop and 3-car garage. Their courtyard features a pool, outdoor kitchen, and covered patio. Total build cost was $630,000, which works out to $150 per square foot. They report that the courtyard gets used daily, and the separation between wings means the kids' noise doesn't disrupt work-from-home schedules. The workshop stays completely isolated from living areas, so sawdust and noise aren't issues. Another example is a couple in Arkansas who built a 2,800 square foot U-shape on 3 acres. They kept it simpler with 2 wings for living space and a third wing that's an open carport and storage area. The courtyard is a landscaped garden with walking paths. Their all-in cost was $385,000, about $138 per square foot. They specifically chose the single-slope roof for the modern aesthetic and to accommodate future solar panels. Both examples show how adaptable this design is to different budgets, family sizes, and lifestyle needs. So should you build a U-shape single-slope barndominium? Here's my honest take. This design is perfect for you if you want distinct functional zones with natural separation, value outdoor living and need a private courtyard, appreciate modern architectural aesthetics, plan to build on at least 2 acres with adequate lot depth, want the flexibility to expand or modify individual wings in the future, and care about energy efficiency and natural light. This might not be for you if you're on a very tight budget where every dollar counts, have a small lot with limited depth or challenging setback requirements, prefer traditional barn aesthetics over contemporary design, want the absolute simplest, fastest build with minimal complexity, or don't plan to use outdoor space much and won't benefit from a courtyard. My bottom line is this. The U-Shape Single Slope Barndominium offers a genuinely superior living experience for most families compared to traditional layouts. The 10 to 20% additional cost over a simple rectangle is absolutely worth it for the privacy, functionality, and lifestyle benefits you gain. And when you factor in the energy efficiency, natural light, and outdoor living space, you're getting tremendous value. The single slope roof is the perfect complement to this layout. It's affordable to build, creates dramatic interior spaces, maximizes natural light, and gives you a modern look that will age well aesthetically. In 2026, with material costs stabilizing and labor availability improving in most regions, now is an excellent time to move forward with this type of build. If you're seriously considering this, your next steps are to find a metal building supplier who understands U-shape configurations. Work with an architect or designer experienced in barndominium layouts to optimize your floor plan. Get soil tests and site surveys done to verify your lot can accommodate the design. Obtain preliminary quotes from at least 3 contractors and start conversations with your local building department about permits and requirements. The U-Shape Single Slope Barndominium isn't just a trend. It's a smart, functional design that solves real problems while creating a genuinely better living environment. If you're looking to build something that stands out, performs well, and makes your daily life better, this is absolutely worth considering. Have you built or are you planning a U-Shape barndominium? Drop your experiences and questions in the comments below. I read every single one and respond to as many as I can. And if this information helped you, smash that like button and share it with anyone else who's planning a barndominium build. Subscribe for more detailed breakdowns on alternative housing and I'll see you in the next video.